Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm going to walk you through the proper steps of how to clean out the filter on your washer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you how to clean out the filters on your washer. A lot of time you can get rock sediment build up in there and it will cause your washer to fill really slow and in some cases to not fill at all. Go ahead and remove your hoses, both hot and cold water hoses. Once you get the hoses removed, then you'll be able to see the filters inside the water valve here. Okay, a lot of the time these filters will get built up with the rock sediments. I just take a flathead screwdriver, you can get a towel, and just get in there and kind of clean out any of the buildup in there that can cause the water to not flow through the valve. And get in and clean it out really good. And that should help your washer fill up with water a lot quicker and be more efficient. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to clean out the filter on your washer.